There goes our problem. Problem says, a computer technician manages the computer server in an internet cafe. The computer server manages three computers. Computer 1, which is on the southwest direction of the server. Computer 2, which is aligned with the computer 1 horizontally and with the server vertically. And computer 3, which is located in the southeast direction of the server and aligned horizontally with computer 1 and computer 2. The server manages the three computers with a LAN wire connected to the router from the server and serves as the main connection, and from the router to the three computers to distribute the connection from the server. It's night already, it's closing time, and it's time to sleep. While the computer technician is sleeping, a rat appeared came from nowhere. Suddenly, the rat gets closer and closer to the LAN wire from the router to computer 3 and beat it. The rat just ran away, leaving the LAN wire cut. In the morning, when the technician is awake, he was shocked when he noticed the cut part of LAN wire. He would like to change the LAN wire, but suddenly it doesn't fit and he doesn't know how long should the wire be. All he knew was the angle made by the LAN wire from computer 1 to the router and from the router to computer 3, which is 142 degrees. The length of the LAN wire on computer 1 to the router, which is 80 centimeters, and the distance between computer 1 and computer 2, which is 74 centimeters. Let's help the technician to find the real length of the LAN wire before it's cut so that he knows the length of LAN wire he'll buy. We're done with the problem. Now let's go to representation wherein it could help us in using variables. Let R be the router, A computer 1, B computer 2, C computer 3. Next is the given, wherein we show the given information from the problem. The median angle on the router measures 142 degrees. The LAN wire from the router to the computer 1 measures 80 centimeters, and the distance between computer 1 and computer 2 measures 74 centimeters. There goes our router R, computer 1A, computer 2B, computer 3C. LAN wire, LAN wire, LAN wire. Median angle 142 degrees. LAN wire 80 centimeters and distance 74 centimeters. From our illustration and the given information, two right triangles were formed. To find the real length of the cut wire, we have to solve the two right triangles. Find the measurement of angle A, segment RB, angle ARB, angle BRC, and finally segment RC, which is the real length of the cut wire. First, we'll find the measurement of angle A. We will use cosine function because adjacent side and the hypotenuse were given. Therefore, cosine A is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Then cosine A is equal to 74 over 80 or 0.925. Then we'll get the arc cosine of both sides. So then, the measurement of angle A is 22.3316 or 22.33 degrees. Next, find the measurement of segment RB. We will use Pythagorean theorem because the given were two sides and it is a right triangle, wherein segment AR squared is equal to segment AB squared plus segment RB squared. Then substitute. 80 squared is equal to 74 squared plus segment RB squared, and then transpose. 80 squared minus 74 squared is equal to segment RB squared. Extract the square root of both sides. Therefore, segment RB is equal to the square root of 6,400 minus 5,476, and then perform the operation. Therefore, segment of RB is equal to the square root of 924. Now, the value of segment RB is equal to 30.3974 or 30.40 centimeters. Next, we'll find the measurement of angle ARB. Since angle A is given and it is a right triangle, we could say that angle A plus angle ARB is equal to 90 degrees. Then substitute 22.33 degrees plus angle ARB is equal to 90 degrees. Next is transposition. Angle ARB is equal to 90 degrees minus 22.33 degrees, which makes the measurement of angle ARB equal to 67.67 degrees. Now, let's find the measurement of angle BRC, wherein angle ARB plus angle BRC is equal to angle R. Then apply substitution. 67.67 degrees plus angle BRC is equal to 142 degrees. Then apply transposition. Angle BRC is equal to 142 degrees minus 67.67 degrees. Now, measurement of angle BRC is equal to 74.33 degrees. Finally, we can find the measurement of segment RC wherein cosine of angle ARB is equal to the adjacent side segment RB over hypotenuse segment RC. Then apply substitution. Cosine 67.67 degrees is equal to 30.40 over segment RC. After that, use transposition. Now, the equation is segment RC is equal to 30.40 over cosine of 67.67 degrees. Next, segment RC is equal to 30.40 over 0.37994, which makes the value of segment RC 80.01251 or 80.01 centimeters.